Hi, Dominic. This is the next puzzle we have in our back rank puzzle series. So, as you can see, this puzzle is just slightly different. In this position, the black pieces have tried to give the king a luft, a flight square. You see that the pawn is not in fact on g7, but has been moved to g6 in order to give the black king a flight square. Yet I ask the question, even though that they've taken this precaution to give the king a flight square, why does white still have checkmate? Well, the answer to that question is fairly simple. Even though black has tried to give himself a black square for g7, if we look at the positioning of the light squared bishop, of white's bishop, he's on the central dark squares, and the bishop is actually covering the flight square. So even though he's pushed the pawn up, well, then it doesn't matter. The queen can go to d8, and that is mate in 1. Now, if we were to change the position slightly, let's say we were to do this instead. Like to move. Here, it wouldn't work because, yes, the queen can still go to d8 check, but the escape square is not being targeted by the bishop. So the difference between the position is, in this time, the luft creates a square that is not otherwise being attacked by one of white's other pieces. So even though it worked earlier in this position, it would not work in the other position when black was able to escape to this square here. If this h7 square had been opened, it would not have been able to mate the black king. So that's the solution. I hope you saw it. I hope you could see how the bishop cut off this square, and I will see you next time.